Alright, we're going to do a quick Apple Clips tutorial again. I know you all have used it. I'm going to click on your app. And the first thing you're going to do is go down to the little picture image. You're going to click on posters. Wait for my posters to come up. Choose which one you want, and I'm going to change this. I'm going to put Parker Inheritance. Alright, and then I'm going to hold this little oval red. Let go. Now you'll notice at the bottom you have your title page. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to find some pictures. So let's find a picture of a girl. So I'm going to go to Safari and so find a picture that looks like Candace. And I'm going to add to photos. And I'm going to find a letter, clip art, and I'm going to use this one. Saved photos or add to photos. I'm going to go and find South Carolina. Let's do a map. Alright, so I'm going to pick a map. And I'm going to save it. Add to photos. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into clips. I'm going to go to my photos. I'm going to go to this little picture. And I'm going to add, so I'm going to see the little star. I'm going to just kind of give her a little filter. And then I'm going to go back to my, I'm going to say, let's see, stickers. Put the little sticker on there. And I'm going to go back. Letters. I'm going to go type in Candace. And then I'm going to hold the red oval button. Let go for a couple seconds, and you see now down here you have your next little clip. Now I'm going to go to pictures, photos. I'm going to go to the letter. And I'm going to click on so I don't want next, so I'm just going to delete it. I think I can delete. Oops. Delete. And then I'm going to put this up here. And then I'm going to now we can put that right here. All right, I'm gonna hold a couple seconds, let go. So now if you put down here to your clip, there's my clip so far. So alright, so there's your clip. There's a little tutorial on the clip, and I'm just going to go back to this top button with this. Now I've got my Parker Inheritance. I can click on that, hit done, double click out, and that is it.